Hello everyone, this is Shiela Piet, and today's video I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to fix broken YouTube thumbnails on Facebook. This is when Facebook is not showing the thumbnail on a video that you want to share. So sometimes it looks like this, or sometimes the thumbnails on Facebook that you already shared is different from the ones that are showing in YouTube. So how to fix that is the first thing you need to do is locate the link. So copy the link of your video. So here I'm going to copy the link of this video and go to Sharing Debugger. So this is the correct URL. I will provide this in my description. You click on this. Sorry. That one, and paste the link here. Click on the debug. After debug, click on the scrape again. And scroll down. Then you should be able to see the preview of your thumbnail here. So if this is not the correct one, just repeat the steps. Click on debug and scrape again. That's it. It should solve your problem. Please don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.